Hello dear friend, today we are going to show you how to resume embroidery while thread breaks. Now we use the trimmer to cut the thread. And the machine will stop automatically. The computer will appear the needle. And the first step, we need to thread the machine. Thread wheel. And then we need to manipulate on the computer, because when the thread breaks, there will still need some time to stop. So while we start the embroidery, we need to back the stitches on the computer. And this number is the stitches we want to add or back. We back the stitches according to the design. Follow this design on the computer and on the patterns. Back to the stop position and then start to embroidery.